In this video, we're going to go through and take a quick tour of the merchant dashboard. So to get started, I like to expand the menu just so I can see the titles of each section. But first and foremost, we have the overview section. So this is going to be where you're going to go to see any of your online sales data. And also if you're trying to reconcile with your POS or with your bank account, this is where you can run the reports to do so. Next on the list, we have our inventory section. So here you'll be able to see all of the products that we have synced over from your point of sale and the information associated with those. So whether it be the price, the quantity, whatever you need, it's going to live in this section here. Next up, we're going to have the order section. So this is where any orders from the mobile app or website are going to come in, and this is where you can move them through the process. So accept, fulfill, decline, refund, whatever you need to do, you'll be able to do it here. Next on the list, we have our customer section. So this is where you can find any of the data that we have associated with your customers. So anyone who's signed up through the website, anyone that you've uploaded a customer list for, or we've synced them from your POS, they're all going to live in this section here. Next in the studio section, this is going to be where you can make design changes to your website and your app. So whether it be switching up some colors, changing out some tiles, that is all going to be done here. We also have the pages feature, so that's a really awesome way to customize the site and add some additional pages, such as an About Us page, a page highlighting certain lines, things like that. All can be done through the studio. Next, moving on down the list, we have our promotion section. So this is where you'll be creating any coupons, automatic discounts, case discounts, and where you can also check out your referral program or your loyalty program if you have any set up. Then we're going to be moving to the marketing section. So there will be the promo banner section in case you want to upload or enable any of those. And then also all the different campaigns and notifications that you can configure and send out to your customers. Then we'll have the ad section. So this is just where you can play around with Google Ads and Facebook ads, work on getting those up. Then we have the events section. This is going to be where you will create any events, whether it be a tasting or a raffle, and it'll sync right on over to your tastings and events tab on your site. Then we have the subscription section. So this is where any of your wine clubs, shipping clubs, things like that are going to live. You can edit them from there, and you can also just make sure that all of the subscribers are intact, all that good stuff, all that data going to be stored right there under the subscription section. Then on our list, we have the Autopilot section. So autopilots are a great way to engage your customers, whether it be via push notification, a SMS notification, a email campaign, and all of these are going to be automatically triggered by a certain customer behavior. So whether it be someone that has an abandoned cart or it's somebody's birthday, all of these campaigns and these notifications can be built out as an autopilot here. And then on the list, we have insights. So this is going to be where you can put in your information, whether it be a Facebook pixel or any of your Google My Business information, so we can help get you set up with the analytics that we have to offer for the site and the app. Then moving down to the help section here, if you click this, there will be a nice little pop-up where you can submit a ticket to us to request help. You can visit our knowledge base to see some documentation on how to get things done. You can sign up for a training or a webinar if you need just a little bit of extra help there. You can also submit a feature request in case there's something you don't see on the dashboard that you would like to. And then last but not least, you'll have your point of contacts calendar synced right over in that pop-up so you can schedule a little one-on-one time if you need help with any implementation. And then last but not least, we have the settings section. So this is just where your store settings are going to live, whether it be the email, the phone number, the store hours, the taxes, the delivery zones. All of that you'll be able to find right in your settings section.